नया टीवीएस स्पॉट 110 सीसी इंजन, इलेक्ट्रिक स्टार्ट और माइलेज का बाप भी।
महंगी होगी।
सिर्फ 58,981 की है।
क्या?
सिर्फ 58,981 में सब कुछ सचमुच।
Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to earn money without any working. So let's begin this topic until the end. So my number one point is that sell stuff. Selling stuff means what you can sell you any kind of photos or any kind of videos to the online platforms like Pixabay, Unplash.com. So let me see this topic to my computer screen. So I will all of you recommended to selling. You can sell your photos in Shutterstock also, Adobe Stock Contributor also. You can also sell these photos to the Pixabay and Unplash also. So right now I'm showing you about Unplash. So I will go to a Google Chrome. Then I will type here Unplash contributor. Unplash contributor. Then you can see this site first. Then you see here your dashboard get open like this. Then you can submit an image. You have to first log in, or you have to first of all log in over here. If you do not have any kind of creator account, so you have to first create the account. So I will create the account in joining with my first name, my last name, then my mail ID, then my username, then I will select my password, then I will join it. So I will click I understand and I will start from uploading over here. You can upload your any kind of JPG file up to 10 images. So I will go to the browser over here. You can select any kind of JPG images. Go here, download option, or if you want to go in desktop over here, then you can go. I will go here. Okay, I will choose this. Okay, you can upload from here like that, and then you can submit over here. Okay, and then you can, after submit the images, you can see this is the dashboard, and you can see all these kind of details are show over here. Suppose if you want to go in illustration, you can Unplash Plus. You can see Unplash Plus. You can submit the image from here. You can create your own profiles. Then how much you can earning from here, you can see all these details are shown over here. This is the first step for you can create. You can work without any kind of working. You can also sell the photos or any kind of videos in this website. Then my number second is renting out of space. Renting out of space is the best for earning the incomes. So let me see it, which kind of how you can get the renting your renting incomes. So you can get the renting incomes by using your give the rent you at home, or you can also giving your rent to your any kind of rooms. So rooming rents and home rent, you will also get the certain incomes using this. Okay, then you have to go to another tab. Then I will go here. I will type here OYO rooms or AIRBNB. OYO rooms. Then I will click on this website first. Then you can see here, if you want to sell your rooms to the OYO, then you have to first of all just sign up from here, and then you can sign up, then verification, and signing a travel agent or corporate, or you have to create first of all the account over in OYO. This is the first way you can sell your rooms to the rent to the OYO. Or if you want to give certain your home to the rent, you can also give your own homes and own rooms to the OYO companies. And another one is AIRBNB. AIRBNB you can also share AIRBNB. Okay, it is a vocational rental company, and you can also give the rent to that AIRBNB. So I will click here. Then you can Airbnb your home. You can add your certain home or rooms to the Airbnb. and you can also get certain amount of good income without any kind of working. You can also earn from the rental income to your account. My number third point is creating a content. So creating a content is the best for your without any kind of working. So you should add your own YouTube channel or any kind of blogging. You can create your own content. So look at here. I will go here and I will go here from blogs. Okay, I will show you blogger. Then you see here post option. In post you can see all my posts are show over here. If you want to create a new post, you can create a new post and you can type any content from here and then you can publish it. If you add a certain images, so you can insert the image from here. So if you don't know knowledge about how to create a blog, so click on this I button and watch that entire video. So you can go here in status. So in status you will get the how much people are visited your own blog. So all time I will get the 5 blogs to be visited. Then you in today how much are visited. In yesterday how much people visited your blog. So how much you can how much you are earning. So here you can also get earning option. So how much I earn from this blogging. So you can create the account, link your account to AdSense also. Then you can create the pages over here, like for example privacy and security, contact us, home, about us, like that. You can create the pages from here. You can add the themes, you can add the layout themes or any kind of this. If you want to change the themes, you can change this kind of theme from here. Okay, so this is a third way you can earn your any kind of working and without any working from here. So my number 4th point is a freelancing work. So freelancing work is the best option for without any money, or if you want to take the working at home, so freelancer is the best way to earning your income. So my best page is Fiverr. Fiverr is the best platform for earning money. So I will go to your Fiverr. If you don't know any kind of knowledge, so you can buy the courses from programming, graphic designing, support digital marketing. These are all courses are selling over here. So Fiverr is that platform you can learn from the courses and you can also sell the courses also. So I will click on digital marketing. You can enroll the digital marketing of SEO or any kind of social media. What are the most popular? You can see SEO, social media, video marketing, e-commerce. You can see all this, and you can browse the agencies also. You can add the agencies and you can get the work from here. Okay, so this is a 4th way from freelancing work, and you can earn certain amount of income. So then you can want to become a seller, so you can go to become seller over here, and then you can sell your own products or your services to the Fiverrs. So this is the way you can earn this kind of incomes. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.